Buenos dias. All right, we are reviewing pronouns in Spanish. These are probably familiar from 1A. Yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros is somewhere in here. So we just wanted to review, make sure you understood them, and we're going to put them in this nifty little chart. In this chart we have singular, meaning just one person on the left side, and plural, meaning more than one person on this side. So in English that would sound like I for singular or we for plural, right? We have first person, second person, and third person. First person is like when you're talking about yourself. Second person, you're talking to, directly to another person, like, how are you? And you would answer yourself, I am well, or how is Bob? We're talking about another person that isn't there in the conversation. So what you need to do, and then on this side is going to be the plural of that. So instead of I, it would be we. Over here we'd have you, or in English, we still use you for a group of you. Sometimes we say like y'all or you guys to show that it's more than one you. And then down here we'd have like he or she, or on the plural side it would be they. So what you need to do is drag each of these boxes to the right spot. So we might start with something easy like yo. That is first person singular, yo. Ustedes means you guys, so we're going to move that here. Now some of these are trickier. We have like mis padres y yo. So which spot would this land in? So it's talking about myself, but it's more than just myself. That's plural, so we're going to put this here. This would be a we, right? My parents and I. Nosotros in Spanish, we in English. So if you are included with anybody else, it's going to land in this box. Patricia's, there again, that's one person, so we know it's going to be on this side. And then this is like a she, we're talking about Patricia, not directly to her. One more that's kind of tricky is the usted y mi mamá. So you and my mom, that's going to go into the you guys. So it is a you, but it's more than one. If it was just usted, it would be over here. But it's usted with somebody else. You and my mom. This is going to be the formal usted. So you'll keep clicking and dragging these to the correct boxes. If you get stuck, you can work with a partner. You can ask the teacher. You can use the Quizlet set if you don't remember how to translate some of the pronouns also. Buena suerte. Good luck.